In a monochromatic source, in Young's double slit experiment is replaced by white light. Monochromatic light இருக்கிறப்போ interference pattern screenல கிடைச்சிருக்கும். Bright band, dark band, bright band, dark band. If white light is used, ஒரு interference pattern disappears பார்க்குற கரெக்டாக இருக்கலாம். ஆனால் இதை விட பெட்டர் ஆன்சர்னா interference pattern disappears and central bright and white fringes surrounded by few colored fringes will be formed. That is the correct answer. Central bright fringe, அதை சுற்றி colored fringes form ஆயிரும். இதுதான் condition when white light is, monochromatic light is replaced by white light. White light it consists of all the color. So, few colored fringes. Then uniform illumination. The answer is 3 is the correct answer.